Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. The RiiRoo XS1 ground loader is the perfect ride-on for those little construction workers looking to get busy. The working bucket is easy to use and is sure to make them spend hours on end in the garden. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, pre-installed music player, functioning horn.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. The low high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The off-road wheel design gives the car more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. Easy to use front bucket. The livery on this car has been designed to spark your child's imagination. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you want to know when this is back in stock, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.